So I'd like to show you today how to use the Motif library that's built into the Sew & Sew Cross Stitch Designer software. There are over 4,000 motifs, so I thought you might like to see those. So what we need to do is first of all open the Motif library. So if we click here to load Motif, we can see here's the library. Now there are lots of different categories in the library: alphabets, animals, borders, buildings, flags, hobbies, you name it. The really big list of different types of motifs. So let's have a little look at some of these. If we open up these, we'll see that there are either 1, 2, or sometimes more different options. So we'll have a look at animals 0 first of all. And here are all the different motifs in that collection. We've got cute bears and beautiful butterflies, and we can scroll down and see all of the different motifs. We have cats, we have ducks, we have cows, we have dogs, we have dinosaurs. Really extensive amount of motifs here, and this is just one category. Particularly love this little panda here, isn't he gorgeous? So that's just one. A cancel there, and we'll look in animals again, and we can see we have another collection of animals, lots of lovely birds, and we can scroll down to see some more there. And the same is true with every category that we go into. Let's have a look at home. We'll look at one of the libraries in home. We've got some hammers and spades. I can see some nice samplers showing some work going on in the garden, wheelbarrows, etc. And how about plants? What have we got in there? Some lovely floral designs here. And these really can be used, as a basis for whatever you want to do. You can import these. Let's say we want to use this tulip. We double click on it and you can see the red marker, and that's going to show you where you're going to be placing your design. So let's say I'm going to put my tulip here. And then that is completely editable. I can place another one next to it if I want to, or if I don't want to, if I right click, that box goes away. So this now is totally editable. I can decide if I want some more of these or squares. There, I've just changed that one to a different color. Let's change that back. We can see if I wanted to add some stitches to the stem, perhaps I wanted a longer stem, I can do that very easily. I can add in additional colours. I think it'd be nice to put a bit of pink down through here, and I can just draw with my mouse to do that. I can also then add backstitch outlines. So if I select, oh, I'm sorry, Control Z is really good if you go wrong at any point. That will get rid of anything. So I need to select this design, and then I can use some automatic outlining using the backstitch feature. I don't want to outline between colours, I just want to outline the edges. So I'll click OK. And there we are. My backstitch has actually gone in the colour that I had selected. If I decide that that's not right and I actually want a darker colour, let's choose might want to actually add some black in there, but for now I'll choose that dark grey. Select it again, backstitch, auto outline, and just outline the edges on my design. There we are. So you can start to build up designs from those libraries. You can edit the motifs. We can decide, okay, let's have a little bride motif here. Now she really does need some backstitch, doesn't she? Let's just right click to get rid of that. Let's select her. Let's add some backstitch on her. There we are. You can do all sorts. You can add a groom to go next to her. You could add some text underneath. You could put a border around her, all using the libraries that you've already got. Here are some of the borders that are built into the program. So really flexible. You don't need to be an artist yourself to be able to start designing cross stitch, because there's so many motifs and border designs and ideas already built into the program for you. But once you start, you'll find that you do want to tweak things. You do want to start personalizing things, making them your own. Let's say my bride has got blonde hair. So I want to cross stitch, change this hair here to blonde. You can see, you can just personalize things however you want to do that. My bride might have longer hair as well, so I might want to come down, fill in some of this space with her hair as well. So it's just so much fun to get in there, start playing with the motifs that are there, start personalizing them, making them your own. They're all found here in this load motif icon. So explore, see what you can find and see what you can create.